Xsens is proud to announce the new Xsens DOT Bluetooth tracker, a state-of-the-art development platform for the analysis and reporting of human kinetics. The new Xsens DOT features an easy-to-integrate mobile SDK, which provides high-quality data readily available for all mobile devices, including iOS and Android. Additionally, our application engineers will be ready to provide support through our community forum. To turn on the tracker, plug a micro USB cable in the tracker that is connected to a power supply. After the light starts to blink, you are ready for recording. To switch off the tracker, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Additionally, the tracker will go in power save mode if no motion is detected within 10 minutes. To wake up the tracker, simply shake it or perform a 90-degree turn. To start the app, click on the icon and wait for the app to boot up. Once the main interface is loaded, the app will automatically scan for devices. If your tracker is not immediately recognized, pull down to start a new scan. Every tracker will show a name tag and the corresponding MAC address. Once your tracker is recognized, click on the toggle switch to connect. When the connection is established, a pop-up message will be shown at the bottom and the corresponding tracker will be highlighted in orange. Now it is possible to click on the tracker to visualize further information, such as battery life or firmware version, as well as renaming the tracker. Once all your trackers are connected, click on the Measure and Collect tab to start your recording. Click on the Select Device button to choose which trackers will record data. By default, all trackers will be checked. Afterwards, you are ready to click on the Start button to start recording. You can choose to display inertial and orientation data, or choose between only one of those and then click on Apply. After a short sync, data will be shown on your device. In this page, you can see acceleration, angular velocity, magnetic field, orientation, and free acceleration. Once your recording is over, click on Stop to stop your recording. A CSV file will be generated for each sensor and will be stored in the Xsens DOT installation folder within your mobile device.